of Valorant hogging space on your Windows 11 machine. Let's blast it off your system for good in just a few easy steps. Alright, first things first. We need to close Valorant completely. Make sure it's not running in the background now. Head over to your Windows settings. You can do this by pressing the Windows key and I simultaneously, or by searching for settings in the search bar. In the settings window, click on apps found on the left-hand side, then select apps and features. This will bring up a list of all the installed applications on your computer. Scroll through the list until you find Valorant. Click on the three dots to the right of Valorant and select uninstall. A pop-up window will appear. Click uninstall again to confirm. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the Valorant uninstall process. This might take a few minutes. Now, here's the important part. We need to uninstall Riot Vanguard, the anti-cheat software. Find Riot Vanguard in the same apps and features list and repeat the uninstall process, just like before. Three dots, uninstall, and follow the prompts. Sometimes, after uninstalling, Vanguard might still be running. Check your system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you see the Riot Vanguard icon, right-click it and select Exit. Finally, restart your computer. This ensures that all remaining Vanguard files are completely removed from your system, and there you have it. Valorant and Riot Vanguard are completely uninstalled. Your system should now be running a little smoother.